What happened?
Are we on Earth?
Is this Earth right now?
Well, it looks a lot like Earth. Feels a lot like Mars.
Well, I'll tell you if it's Earth or not. Is the truck fixed?
Is what?
Truck fixed?
Truck fixed?
Mm-hmm.
What, are you having breakfast?
She's safe?
No, fuck no.
Yep, not Earth.
Oh, I'm just getting up and having coffee. Gotta go get some breakfast.
Just getting up?
What about all this smoke and shit coming out of this fucking thing? I've started it twice. And it fucking smokes the parking lot out.
Oh, I don't know what you did to it. It didn't do that when I had it.
Huh?
Huh?
Pardon?
Pardon?
Pardon me? You gotta get this thing e-tested?
Yep.
How do you think you're gonna get it e-tested?
Well,
Does
didn't
it
smoke
fucking
at all
ever
here.
quit? Eh?
Didn't smoke at all here.
Oh fuck, man. I'm gonna find that hard to believe.
Well, when it's cold, it's going to smoke because it's a fucking diesel, but once it's warmed up, like, it doesn't smoke. Like, what are you talking about?
Smoke? It smokes out the fucking parking lot. Like, I can't even see.
What'd you do to it? Didn't do that when it was here.
No, I was doing it now. I don't know, is that oil or the fucking, and it's missing? It started up and it's fucking missing when it's cold and fucking carrying on.
You mean a diesel engine's carrying on when it's cold? That's fucking unheard of.
None of ours do.
That's unheard of, John Luke.
Oh, man. Is that diesel or smoke? Oil? Got an oil problem or deep injector problem?
Listen, I've been around this for quite a while, Ricky.
How long is quite a while, sir?
Well, fucking 6 months.
6 months? Oh, man.
No, but seriously, can you quit fucking around sometime soon here and safety my truck for me, or what do you think?
Who's fucking around?
Oh, this one guy I know named John Luke.
You are a fucker. You don't even know why I called you this morning.
Oh, fuck's sakes, what did you expect?
Oh, fuck. I'm going back to bed.
You told me you didn't work on my truck smokes like a whore and this and that, and give me a hard time, but you don't want a hard time back.
Oh, okay, sorry.
I'm gonna go rifling around in your pocket. I'll be there in a few hours.
You got 20 seconds and I'm hanging out.
20 seconds? Oh, goodness gracious.
Fuck. All right.
So what do you think? We're gonna get her. I got an appointment to get the tires put on that on Tuesday. Should I just call them and tell them fucking I don't even have the truck anymore,
I don't know what you
or what?
should do, but you shouldn't make appointments when you don't have a fucking vehicle.
Well, this was 3 weeks ago, and I needed 5 lights checked. You know, five bulbs checked, bud. Like, I mean, 3 weeks, 5 bulbs. That's less than 2 bulbs a week.
Bulbs. I got the bulbs here.
Oh, well, that's good.
All right. Okay.
Well, I got to go to St. Thomas tomorrow anyway, so I'll probably stop by and see what you're doing.
All right. Okay, man.
Okay.
I'll see you then.
Should I bring the trailer?
I don't know. Call me in the morning.
All right.
Okay, man. Bye-bye.
Oh, fuck.
Don't the waters get you?